just showing another beautiful day in my beautiful town, and I thought it would be pretty fun to just Huh? Wait, do you guys see that? Huh? Guys, I see a little white thing over there. I'm gonna go travel to it. I don't know what that is, but is that a farm truck? Wait, oh my god, oh my god. Is that a farm truck? No, little farmer that used to live in this town. He lived like 10 years ago. How's that still there? How have I never noticed this? Wow! What is that really a truck? Guys, oh my god. Do you guys see that farm truck? It's been sitting back here for like, probably estimate about 12 years this has been sitting back here. Or even more years, because he's like 40 years old and he came to here when he was like 22 years old. So this is very old. I don't know how old, but it's old. That's all I know. But I'm gonna start, I think I'm gonna try to pick up the truck. Okay. Wait. I successfully got the truck. And, it needs a lot of work done to this truck. And I really like it because it's like this part of Kentucky, they were really like this. Yeah, and all of my neighbors would be saying nice truck, but first we gotta fix it up, don't you think? Okay, so we gotta go to the workshop. The workshop, it's my workshop, my personal workshop. Wait, guys, how am I doing Kentucky accent? How am I doing the Kentucky accent? Personally, my workshop, but you know what I mean. So first we gotta take this down to the, oh god, oh no, I think I'm gonna have to call the fire department to see if they can, no, I'm gonna call the tow people to see if they can flip me over from this mess. Okay, I'm on the road coming down to the, yeah, so I'm probably like, 3 seconds away from the workshop. I'm just gonna pull in. Alright, let's get to work on this thing.